Rapport building. All fitness medical assessments should be completed in line with best practice guidance. Clinicians should professionally greet the patients, introduce themselves, invite them in the consultation room and explain the process. Occupational health assessments can be very stressful for some employees if they do not understand what it involves and why the assessment is needed. Building rapport and making the attendee at ease helps with a smooth flow of assessment with their cooperation. Identification of the examinee. The identity of the examinee should be confirmed from photographic evidence such as passport or driving license. In case, if an acceptable photo ID is not available, attendee should present a signed photograph with a statement from a professional, for example their GP or a children's school teacher, confirming that the photo signed is the true likeness of the named individual. Additional supporting evidence for identity should be NHS number, bank cards, work ID card, travel card, etc. Relevant contextual occupational history. Examining doctors should gather sufficient information to appreciate the occupational context in which fitness medical certification is requested. Focus should be on employment history with duration in various previous roles as well as exposure to hazards within these roles. Details of current role with duration, working hours, specific tasks and exposure to specific hazards should be noted. For example, noise, vibration, dust, chemicals, lifting or carrying of the loads, operating machinery, etc.